Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MailerLite for lead nurturing and real estate investing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the MailerLite website. In the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After successful login, you will land on the MailerLite dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Look for the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on Campaigns to view your existing campaigns. To create a new campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. Follow the prompts to set up your lead nurturing campaign. Use the drag and drop editor to design your email. Incorporate relevant content that will appeal to your leads. Set up your email list for targeted communication. You can segment your leads based on specific criteria. Once your campaign is designed, preview it to check for any errors. Finally, click the Send button to initiate your lead nurturing campaign. Monitor the campaign analytics to assess its performance. Use these insights to refine your strategy for future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.